Hey, what's up, you happy people? Today is so comfortable. It's 82 degrees, minimum humidity, no wind, so calm, and such kind of good weather. People probably want to do some outside cooking, barbecues, hibachi, but today you're about to see is a special cooking called stir-fry pot. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's start. Like Hotpot, this type of cooking also need dipping sauce. Here are some of the typical sauce to choose from. Here's the garlic sauce, mixed nut butter, bean curd, Chinese barbecue, some chili sauce, and vinegar. You're free to choose any of these ingredients or even add anything that you prefer to make a final sauce. Here are the basic supplies and the ingredients. For meat, I have sliced beef and shrimp. You can choose any other meat you prefer. As for vegetable, I have mushroom, cucumber, tomato. I also have lettuce, bean spore, cilantro, bean leaf, and onion. Add vegetable oil to the pot. When the oil gets hot, add cumin seed. Then add onion into the pot. Stir fry the onion for a few minutes until the flavor gets extracted. Now add the beef into the pot and start stir fry. If you like a medium or rare, you probably can start eating at this time. Just like eating hot pot, get a piece of meat and dip in the sauce you made previously. Very tender and nice. Start eating meat first and add more meat as needed. As you're pretty much done with the meat, now vegetable comes into the play. Start with bean spore, then add lettuce, bean leaf, mushroom, tomato, cucumbers, cilantro, Eat veggie the same way as the meat, using the dipping sauce. Now you have done the meat and most of the veggie. If you are still not feeling full, don't worry, there's some more course for you. Add water to the leftover in the pot. When the water is boiling, add noodles to the boiling water.
Now, noodle soup ready to serve.
Salt stir-fry pot. You have very balanced nutrition there. You have proteins, vegetables, carbs, and also the soup. This is really nice cooking style. I hope you can try it at home. If you would, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.